Good morning everybody, welcome to Great Yarmouth Photos and Webcams on YouTube. Now it's been quite a while since I've done an update, and I know it's been quite quiet over the winter months with videos, but Easter is only a couple of weeks away now, so I am going to be out and about doing some new videos of obviously the seafront, Regent Road, around Great Yarmouth, up at Hemsby. I always do videos at Hemsby as well, Scrapby, Caister, all along the coast. So keep an eye out. There will be lots of new videos this year, lots of shorts as well. Lots of new content, so there will be some more new stuff coming soon. Don't forget, if you remember here, there is the Facebook page as well. Almost 23,000 people following the Facebook page. So if you're not following on Facebook already, don't forget to pop across and like and follow over there. That'd be much appreciated. Let's say it is Easter coming up, so everything is going to be opening up along the seafront over the next couple of weeks. Joyland will be open for Easter, and obviously most places will be as well, because it's always a busy week and a busy sort of weekend as well, with Good Friday and Easter Monday. Easter is early this year as well, so everything's going to be open very soon. Anyone booked their Great Yarmouth holiday? Are you coming at Easter? If you are, leave a message in the comments. Tell us where you're staying, where you recommend to go at Great Yarmouth, best places to go. It's all, just leave it in the comments. If you like what you see in the videos, don't forget to share it with your friends, and obviously give us a like, give us a follow as well. Much appreciated. Give us a thumbs up. Obviously those cafes just there, I'm sure they'll be opening up very soon as well. Britannia Pier, new owners for the last couple of years, lots and lots of changes been happening, so Britannia Pier is well worth a visit. The little the restaurant, as you walk into Britannia Pier on the left, where the amusements are, where you go downstairs, there's that's all been refurbished. That restaurant has. I've got the Facebook page, so you can always have a look at the photos they've put on and what they've actually done. It looks very nice. There's also when you're on the pier, when you go sort of down the steps from the pier to where the Joyland amusements is, there is a little restaurant, little cafe as well, just underneath the pier. They've got a Facebook page as well, so that's well worth a visit. There's the Pier Tavern. I'm sure lots of you have been in there over the years. Joyland, I've been putting lots of old photos on Facebook. That's where obviously the Ark was, just there. The people who's old enough like me to remember the Ark. The new Marina Centre there in the background as well. I'll be putting some pictures on Facebook of the just before the old Marina Centre was built. There was the Cow Town, which was there for a couple of years If anyone remembers that, I've been putting photos on Facebook page of Cowtown, so why not pop across and have a look. First arcade, just on the right there, the Majestic. If everyone remembers the bingo, what used to be there, I have been putting some old photos of inside and outside of the Majestic as well, including the bingo, and a few pictures of inside the bingo. If anyone likes bingo as well, there is a new bingo on the seafront a little bit further up. What's recently, sort of Christmas time, recently has opened. So if you like playing bingo, it's just near Caesar's Palace, I think, next door. Obviously a bit cloudy on the seafront this morning. If there's anything you want to see more of with the sort of videos, if you let me know in the comments, I'll see what I can do. Big Wheels got all its carriages back on in the background there. So that's ready to be open for the new season. Amusements never close, really. They open all year round. Right, that is almost it for this update. So new content's going to be end of March. I might put a couple of videos on before that, which I might have took last year, but the new content is coming soon, and it will be coming new content right from Easter all the way through the season now. So there'll be new videos every week of the seafront. So if you not subscribe, if you subscribe, it's free. You will get a notification every time I put a video on. You can become a member as well of the page. We've got a few members, 99p a month starting at. You get obviously exclusive content as well. Thank you very much. Speak to you all soon.